How you doing, everybody? This is Jim Buck, Black Series Camper, Southern California, out of the city of Industry, and I am on my way here to the airport in South Bend, Indiana. And we have been out here for about a week at the Elkhart Open House. Thor Industries is basically like a large RV show for RV dealerships. So I got to capture some video of everything happening, going on, and our weather. I'm just going to throw this up there, kind of show you what we've been out and doing. And you guys take care, be safe. And this is Jim Buck. We'll see you out there.